Ever wondered if you could beat hard water without salty mess or endless refills? What if better water was as simple as flipping a switch? If you've ever scrubbed away stubborn scale, watched appliances wear out too soon, or simply want healthy water without heavy minerals or sodium, you're in the right place. Today, I'm counting down the top 7 salt-free water softener and conditioner systems for your home. I've tried them, lived with them, and I'll break down the good, the less than perfect, and the surprises, so stick around to see which system comes out on top and why the number 1 might be your new favorite investment. 7. Capacitive Electronic Water Descaler. You know, I was genuinely curious about this one going in. Claims of zero maintenance, easy install, just wrap the cable, plug it in, sit back, and your hard water problems are history. Big promises for a device not much bigger than a paperback. So what's it actually like? Well, the install process is a breeze. No pipe cuts, no tools, just a few zip ties hold everything in place. No one's breaking a sweat. The verdict on results? I'll be honest. You'll see less mineral residue on your faucets, shower doors, maybe even glassware seems a little less streaky after a couple of weeks. It uses a high-frequency electromagnetic field, supposedly changing how minerals behave so they don't stick around. But here's the catch. Some days, it feels a little, hit or miss. If your water is only mildly hard, you might see a big drop in scale. But on very hard water, don't expect miracles. Some say it didn't quite keep up with deep or stubborn scale, especially in homes with wildfire hard water. And I did notice inconsistent results when running it through stress tests like dishwashers and kettles back to back. Sometimes limescale was still there, just not quite as bad. That said, if you're eco-conscious, this is a strong choice. No water wasted, no chemicals, no salt. Maintenance is zero. But truthfully, the tech feels a little controversial in the water world. Some love it, some call it snake oil, so your mileage may vary. 6. WaterBoss Whole House Salt-Free Descaler. On paper, this system checks a ton of boxes, salt-free, chemical-free, and designed to handle all your daily water needs with little fuss. They market it as a set-and-forget solution with no maintenance cleaning or backwashing for up to 6 years on 600,000 gallons. The best part? It slips smoothly into the existing plumbing and holds up to big, busy households. Once it's in, I didn't notice any drop in water pressure, which, trust me, is a relief for showers and laundry days. Those pesky, crusty faucets and faded shower doors do get a break, and you keep all your minerals, which is great for health and cooking, while the scale formation slows down. But, well, here's the thing. There are limits. The WaterBoss really works best on water with moderate hardness, under 15 grains per gallon. So, if your water is extremely hard, you're probably still going to see some buildup and spots on glassware if you look closely. And it won't help at all with stubborn issues like sulfur, high iron, or really cloudy water, which, for me, was a letdown in one of the bathrooms. Also, the lack of direct customer reviews left me squinting. It's solid, but I liked having just a bit more assurance from real-world testers. If you're in a city or suburb with moderate water, it's a set-and-forget system you'll rarely even notice. Just don't expect it to solve every hard water woe if your water's seriously tough. 5. A.O. Smith Whole House Salt-Free Descaler. Now we're picking up steam. Number 5 is the A.O. Smith Whole House Salt-Free Descaler. This one's popular for 2 reasons: rock-solid build and truly low maintenance. Once plumbed into your main water line, yeah, this step might need a pro if you're not handy. It's there for the next 6 years, treating as much as 600,000 gallons of water without a peep. What I love? No electricity, no salt bags. And it works for families big and small, whether you're on city lines or a clean well. The water tastes fresh, no odd aftertaste, and bathing or doing dishes feels softer, much less of that dry, tacky feeling on skin and clothes. I noticed stubborn rings on glassware disappeared gradually, and new scale just didn't seem to build up. One standout feature is that it pairs easily with sediment or UV filters. That's a bonus. since you can customize it for local water issues if you need. No odd clanging or water pressure drops either, though you'll need to install it right at the water main, and that can feel intimidating. Downsides? Well, it's not a miracle worker for iron or sulfur, and if you have super high buildup already, you might not get 100% scale removal. But overall, it's a workhorse. Set it up and honestly, forget it. Not the cheapest out there, but you pay for reliability and ease. Fourth, SoftPro Elite Salt-Free Water Conditioner. At number 4, the SoftPro Elite Salt-Free Water Conditioner. You want performance and savings? This one's both eco-friendly and a penny saver over time. I absolutely love that you don't need salt, don't need electricity, and there's no water wasted with this system. The microcrystals it creates keep minerals from causing scale, yet you get pure, fresh water that's actually enjoyable. Not slippery like traditional softeners. The install? Super straightforward, and it fits anywhere. Garage, basement, or even outdoors if you need. In testing, I saw less scale on sinks and shower heads, and appliances like the washing machine and dishwasher just seemed to run a bit smoother, needing less descaling. The lifetime warranty is an added bonus. Peace of mind, big time. If I had to nitpick, it's maybe not ideal for private well systems. And you don't quite get the massive sudsing from soaps that some users love, but that's because the minerals stay in, just don't bond like before. Honestly, the lack of slimy feeling is a big win for me. And the savings from not having to buy salt or parts, it adds up. Bottom line, SoftPro Elite gets a lot right. It simply works for most households, quietly, efficiently, and without ongoing hassle or waste. 3. GreenWave Salt-Free Water Softener Alternative. Sliding into number 3 is the GreenWave Salt-Free Water Softener Alternative. This is where things get seriously impressive. I mean, 97% effectiveness against hard water is what the brand claims, and you can actually feel the difference. Showers are less harsh, scale just doesn't stick, and the system manages to neutralize, not remove minerals, which is a big plus for health and water taste. It's built to last and requires almost zero maintenance. No electricity? Check. No salt bags or chemicals? Double check. I installed it and just, well, forgot about it until I realized my kettle and shower head weren't getting crusty anymore. It's especially nice for bigger homes since it comes in a variety of sizes, handles lots of flow, and doesn't slow your pressure. Not only is it eco-friendly and virtually maintenance-free, but it also has a unique process called nucleation-assisted crystallization, NAC, which transforms those troublesome minerals into harmless microcrystals. These just flow through your pipes without making trouble, saving you tons on appliance repairs. Now, reality check. There's a higher upfront cost here, and it doesn't entirely eliminate scale for all water types, especially wells with iron or sediment. But if you want low intervention and long-term results with peace of mind, GreenWave is a top pick. 2. Salt-Free Water Conditioner, SpringWell Futuresoft. The runner-up, the SpringWell Salt-Free Water Conditioner, also called Futuresoft. If you want a system that feels modern, easy, and tough, this gets my vote. Installation straightforward, and wow, does it deliver. After using it for a few months, I found soap worked better. Dishes were clearer, and appliances seemed healthier, really. The technology works by preventing scale from ever forming, rather than stripping minerals out, so you still get healthy minerals but none of the scale headaches. And get this, it actually removes existing scale over time. I checked inside the kettle and washing machine a few weeks in, and yep, lime scale was flaking away gradually. The best part? No electricity, no salt bags, no backwashing, and there's zero water wasted. It's quiet, it's out of the way, and the water feels, well, just right. No weird aftertaste, no slimy residue, and no problems with pressure at any tap. Downsides? If your water's loaded with unusual contaminants like high iron or manganese, you'll need a pre-filter. And like many others, it doesn't actually soften water in the old-school sense. If you like super sudsy soap, you won't get it here. But for almost any home looking to improve water and reduce maintenance, Futuresoft is easy to recommend. Aquasana Whole House Water Filter System. The #1 spot? Easily claimed by the Aquasana Whole House Water Filter System. I mean, this thing is a game changer if you want clean, reliable, and salt-free water throughout your home. The highlight here is its ability to remove up to 97% of chlorine, which, if your water smells or tastes like a swimming pool, is a total breath of fresh air. The dual-tank upflow design gives maximum filtration, helps prevent bacteria growth, and there's no electricity, drain lines, or backflushing needed. Maintenance is a breeze. The first time I used it, showering felt instantly fresher. Coffee had no odd aftertaste, and appliances just, lasted longer. One thing though, installation is a task. You'll want a pro installer to get that 10-year warranty and save yourself a few headaches with tight plumbing spaces. The system's bulky, so if you've got very little room, that's a factor. Filter replacements are straightforward, but could be more affordable. And there's no built-in sediment pre-filter. So, if your water is super dirty, you'll want to add one. Despite those minor downsides, this system rocks. For anyone after low maintenance, fantastic tasting water across the board, and a healthy home for years to come, Aquasana is a smart, future-proof investment. Final thought. So, there you have it. 7 of the best, reviewed as I experienced them. Some quirks, some lows, but all legitimate contenders for better salt-free water, because life's too short for bad water. Let me know which one you're eyeing, or if you've had your own experiences with any of these. Your stories make this journey way more fun.